Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting inside the Instagram app. First, confirm you're logged into the account that liked the posts. Once done, make sure the app is updated so menu items match. Outdated versions hide options. Tap your profile icon in the lower right. From here, you begin the navigation toward your activity history. If you don't see familiar posts, double-check Account Switch Now. This is the single most common reason you can't find likes. Now tap the three-line menu in the top right, then choose Settings and follow to your activity. This is where Instagram groups your actions. Once in your activity, pick interactions to isolate likes, comments, and more. Select likes to see a chronological list of posts you liked. Scroll to preview, tap any item to jump to the post. If items feel missing, remember Instagram sometimes collapses or removes content. You've arrived at your liked posts. Tap any post to view it full screen and decide whether to bookmark it to a saved collection or screenshot for offline reference. Once organized, use Save to group content for later. If some likes are missing, try logging out and back in, force closing the app, or updating Instagram. These steps refresh the cache and restore missing menu items. If problems persist, check whether the original account deleted the post or switched to private. Then the like will no longer be visible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.